Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hello and welcome to the Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host today. In a move that's left many in the crypto space wondering what's next, Cango Inc., a leading Bitcoin mining company, has just released its April 2025 production update. So, how did Cango do in April? Well, according to their latest numbers, they mined a total of 470 bitcoins, which is an 11.3% decrease from the 530 bitcoins they mined in March. That's quite a drop, and it's clear that something was up for them in April. But before we dive into what might have caused this decline, let's talk about what's happening with Bitcoin mining right now. The global hash rate is at an all-time high, which means that more miners are competing to solve the complex mathematical puzzles needed to secure the network. And as you can imagine, this makes it much harder for individual miners like Cango to stand out and compete. Which brings us back to Cango's numbers. Despite their best efforts, they managed to produce fewer bitcoins in April than they did in March. But what's interesting is that they were able to maintain a steady average daily production of 15.7 bitcoins, which is still quite impressive considering the current state of the market. So, what might have caused this decline? Well, according to Cango's CEO, Jiayuan Lin, it was mainly due to a significant surge in the global hash rate, marking its second-largest monthly increase ever recorded. This means that even more miners were competing for those hard-to-solve puzzles, making it tougher for Cango to come out on top. And then there's the issue of mining difficulty. In April, the mining difficulty rose by 8% compared to March, which is a significant jump. This makes it much harder for individual miners like Cango to compete and produce more bitcoins. But here's the thing. Despite this short-term fluctuation in production volume, Cango remains firmly committed to their Bitcoin holding strategy. And with the current value of their Bitcoin holdings at $279 million, they're confident that their strategic initiatives and ongoing operational enhancements will continue to generate long-term value for their stakeholders. That's a wrap for today's episode of the Bitcoin Bulletin. If you want to stay up to date on all the latest news and developments in the crypto space, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. And if you have any questions or comments about Cango Inc.'s latest numbers, let us know in the comments below.